Hello, this is the first video in the series of video tutorials on ZiCaMaS. The video covers 4 steps under the section Set the Scene on the page 7 of the user manual. Step 1. Define, revise administrative territorial units. Go to Catalogs and Territorial Units. You can replace preloaded alpha, beta, gamma by any respective territorial unit, north, south, or you can delete some if it's not used and add on. So, like this. Step 2. Define, revise health facilities. Actually, this is a catalog of health facility category. So in every country, you can have different categories facilities. Ambulatory, you can call health center, so you can replace it by health center, diagnosis center, private office, and then can be some charity, clinic, any typology which helps you to group them for some further analysis. Then we go to providers, and here we have a list of providers. So you remember we changed the label, and it now shows here north-south. These are health facility names, and this is attribute catalog we just changed. So before it was ambulatory, now it becomes health center. This is the way health facilities are added. It can be like this, and we select territorial unit north. Let's have and charity clinic. Yeah. So this is the way we add health facilities, and for the analysis in the future, we can analyze by location or by type of organization. Step 3. Define, revise laboratory facilities. Similar to that, we go to providers, we go to laboratory facilities, and we can replace this one and call it regional laboratory, and we can have any location, and that's it. Typology, because laboratory facilities have own typology than health facilities. Or we can add another one and select territory, and we can say that's a reference national laboratory. And latest exercise here is to check parameters, but if we go back to the catalogs, so these are health facility typology, laboratory typology, territorial units we discussed, outcomes we didn't touch, but this is unlikely to be changed because these are 4 types of outcomes of any pregnancy. But if you want to change the wording, that's a place to do so. And parameters. Parameters are few there. Country, where you enter the country, and ZiCaMaS use it in reports to make it clear that this data belongs to a country. And there are 3 parameters: time lag, alarm, and alarm off. Time lag. Time lag is actually this is a value ZiCaMaS use as a default value to help the case manager identify visits which are overdue. So 7 means that when case manager opens specific form in the ZiCaMaS to check which visit has been overdue. ZiCaMaS will look back 7 days and will show only the visits which were supposed to occur during the previous 7 days, but they didn't happen. So this just default value. This will be explained in respective video. Alarm 30 means that if alarm is set on, when ZiCaMaS is loaded, ZiCaMaS will check visits, upcoming visits, which missed the ideal schedule, but still did not meet the deadline, because in the standards, it will be discussed later, visits have 3 dates. So it has optimal date, let's say when child is 2 months age. But then standard can say this visit for the child age 2 months can happen a week before child is 2 months old, so the age of 1 month and 3 weeks, or 2 weeks later, so at the age of 2 months and 2 weeks. And this is an interval, so 2 months and 2 weeks is the deadline, so the latest date when this visit should happen. And this alarm variable here tells ZiCaMaS every time it's loaded to check visits 30 days before they pass the deadline. It gives opportunity to ZiCaMaS manager to be more proactive. That's it. Goodbye.